Hey everyone, it's the Anonymous Investor. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be downloading SoFi and we're going to check out this app for the first time. So I am going to be using a referral code that my friend sent me. I think right now they have a pretty good promotion going on where if you deposit at least $1,000 into your account, you get $50 worth of your favorite stock, which is pretty cool because that's essentially a 5% return. So I'm going to be taking advantage of this. A lot of people are moving into SoFi, especially after the huge issue that happened with Robinhood and a lot of other brokers, although, yeah, I feel like Robinhood is getting the blunt of the blame, but we're not going to get into that. We want to check out SoFi for the first time, so I'm going to click on Invest Now, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's get started. So I need to create an account. So as I do that, I am going to tell you guys, if you have any friends, any family, anyone that you know uses this, I would recommend ask them for their referral link so that you can get $50 and they can get $50, and it's a win-win, especially if it's a family member. You can both be building your net worth together. So I'd highly recommend you do that. So I just created my account, or at least I think I did. Let's see what happens. All right, select which stock you'd like $50 of. So I guess I can claim whichever I want. Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Disney, there's a bunch. Can I keep scrolling down? Does it go on forever? It goes on for a long time. Okay, let me keep scrolling. Okay, no, that's the majority of it. Okay, so I love Tesla, so why don't we go with Tesla? Let's click claim on Tesla. Great. Now just open and fund your account to receive $50 of Tesla. That's awesome. So I'm going to click get started. And let's see. I just need to enter my actual address, so I'm going to be blurring all this out, but let me go ahead and do it. All right, that was easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number. Now I just got to tell them about my employment status. So I am employed, employer name, and job title. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that. I wonder if you can skip this. You might be able to, or if not, you just fill this out and then you just go ahead and continue. All right, you have to answer your citizenship status. So I am a U.S. citizen. Then you are going to have to put your date of birth and your social security number. And then you need to answer some regulatory statements. I or someone in my immediate family works for a securities agency, FINRA registered, nope. I, someone in my immediate family is an 10%, nope. I, someone in my immediate family is a high-ranking military, nope. And am I a senior citizen? I am not, so no. And then we click continue. And then you are supposed to read through all of this, of course. Make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. I think most of the time, no one ever reads it, but ideally you should be. But we're just going to go ahead and click the two boxes, click agree and finish. By the way, I did check with SoFi. It is FDIC insured up to 1.5 million. So with that being said, there it is. Welcome to SoFi Invest. Now just add $1,000 to receive $50 of Tesla. So now I'm just going to click add cash, and this is where you are going to have to link it to one of your bank accounts. So let's check this out. All right. SoFi uses Play to link your bank. All right, we're going to continue. Then I need to select my bank. So I am going to select, what the heck? You can select Robinhood. I'm going to do Bank of America. I guess they're making it easier to switch over. All right, enter my credentials. So 1 second, everyone. I'm going to blur this out and I'm going to submit. You'll get a confirmation code, which you'll input. It's a 6-digit code. I will enter it and continue. And verifying code. And that is my bank account. So I'm going to click continue. And let's see how this works. If I immediately get the $50, or how does it work? So how much would you like to add? Keep in mind, you need to add at least $1,000 if you want this to work. So we are going to swap that to individual checking. How do I do this? How much would you like to add? Oh, you click up here and we're going to put 1,000. Go, enter, click over here, review. All right, so I am depositing, just to review, $1,000 from my checking account, and it is a one-time. We're going to click add money. And we're going to click done, and then refer friends, get free stock, repeat trade stocks and ETFs. So I will post my referral in the description, and I'll do a pinned comment if you want to join, if you have enough money to invest $1,000 into this platform, if you want to check it out. Once again, I highly recommend ask family members, ask friends first, get their referral, build your wealth together. But if not, then go ahead and use mine and then referral your own family members or friends. So we're going to click done, or I should probably download the app. So I'm going to get it on the Google Play Store. So when I clicked on my friend's referral code, it sent me to the actual site. But now I'm going to actually install the app, and then, of course, I'll log in and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click open. And so I'm opening up the app on my phone for the very first time. Let's check this out. Let's see how it compares to other investing platforms like Webull, like Robinhood. So I'm going to sign in with an existing account since I literally just created one. Okay, and so I am officially on the SoFi app. So it says, hi Eric, member since February 2021. There's my $1,000. And then there's money, track your finances, credit score. So I guess this is like all encompassing. You can check credit scores, you can track your finance, how you've been spending. You can set up crypto. So try crypto, get $25 worth worth of Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin on SoFi and you get an extra $25. That's pretty cool. So if I put in 25, why, I wonder how much you have to buy. Try crypto, let's see, let's click explore crypto. And then it doesn't tell me how much I would have to buy, but we can always check that out later. So let's go ahead and exit out of that. So there is relay, add account now, view all accounts. So I guess there's a way to track all of the accounts that you have on here. There is the investing component to it. And what are those? Those are different companies that have up 82%, 66% invest. So here's education, more about investing. So this is not as intuitive, I would say, as Robinhood is, where it is only stock focused. This is like everything. Social investing, enable social sharing. We're giving you access to follow and learn from top investors. So this is like a social platform as well. Follow top investors to understand their strategies. That is very interesting. I don't think any other platform, no, Webull actually has a comment section where you can, essentially it's also like that. If you need ideas, here's the investors with the best returns in 30 days. All right, for now, let's just click on the top. Let's just click on the top 3. Click next, and sweet. Let's make your profile public so others can follow you. For now, we are gonna go ahead and agree to that. I'm curious because Robinhood definitely did not have this social aspect to it. Man, I wonder if there's gonna be a community on here that also boosts the stock. All right, we're going to click done. A quick update on the social investing. I have been trying to figure out how to disable it, but I am not able to. According to their own website, it says you may see the option to enable social investing via a card on the home or invest screen, which is what happened. If you do not see it, you can navigate to the manage icon within your active accounts. So from there, you can select social sharing and toggle the button on and off. I have not been able to find the manage icon, and I have not been able to figure out how to disable this. So just enable this at your own discretion. And then, where are those? So there's a leaderboard now. And yeah, SoFi Learn. So this is a way to learn about investing. So again, just download the app, going through the learning section. You can probably learn a lot about it. You can add a watch list. Of course, most platforms have a watch list. All right, so here are the top 3 investors that I followed. Bought GameStop at 233, scheduled a limit order to sell GameStop at 10,000, and bought AMC. Okay, so I know the kind of people I'm following right now. No wonder they're the top investors. They YOL it on to GME AMC. All right, so Discovery, Crypto, top 50, social 50 stocks. This is so interesting. This is way different. More popular investors as well. Let's keep scrolling down. Popular stocks, Amazon, Tesla, Apple. There's some that are trending. All right, we have some ETFs, but how do I go to actually buy stocks? Let's see. If I click on home, okay, this is where I was. So invest, making a habit, auto deposits, overdraft fees, late fees, ATM fees. Top fees found from relay users in the last, wow, that's crazy. That is crazy. All right, so this is, okay, it looks like the homepage is just a bunch of different, it's a quick snapshot on how much you have invested, probably how your account has differed, to get crypto and then to learn like the different stuff that SoFi offers. If you click on the bottom tab on the money tab, it's probably going to ask you if you want to open an account with SoFi. We're going to ignore that for now. Apparently, they also have credit cards, so you can get that as well. Unlimited 2% cashback. That's actually not bad. And then invest. I think this is what we want to check out, the investing platform. So I have my account. I can add cash. I can search. I can refer a friend. And again, there's the leaderboard, and this is for you to learn the different kind of order types, whether it's a limit, limit sell, limit purchase, market order. So we're not going to focus too much on that. There's going to be videos coming out later. How the market are doing, the S&P, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the Russell 2000. Again, the ones I started following. All right, so this is where I was right now, and I guess they even offer loans. But let's click on invest. We'll come back to this. We'll click on invest, and we will search. So let's see if you don't know the ticker symbol of a company. The ticker symbol is basically how you identify a stock. So let's type in Tesla, since I don't know the ticker symbol, and it doesn't appear right away, which is unfortunate. So it looks like you're going to have to like do some research on your own. So see, the ticker symbol for Tesla is TSLA. So now I can go ahead and click it and I can see it. And this is actually pretty intuitive. This is just like that of Robinhood. I'm going to add it to my watch list. Perfect. I'm watching now. I can see the 1 week, the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year, and the 5-year progress of Tesla. You can click with your finger and move it around to see how the prices differed on a day-to-day basis. So it's on my watch list. It actually tells you that it is more volatile than the market. The beta is 1.37. There's some details. It opened at 796. It has a high of 389. Oh no, sorry. It has a low of 796, a high of 389 today. Tells you the 52-week low and high. You can scroll over the volume, like 14 million volume today. The average is 37 mil, so a little less. the social component to it, it tells you who just bought. This is very interesting. The fact that this app actually, I haven't checked Webull too much. I don't know if Webull also shows you. You can heart it. You can add a comment. You could add an emoji. I imagine though it will tell you the name. So if you're trying to remain anonymous like me, you probably don't want to comment. All right, it tells you the most up-to-date news 45 minutes ago, an hour ago, feedback, and then this is pretty cool. There's a component where you can give feedback to them. But this is basically SoFi in a nutshell. Let's take a look at another company. Again, let's say Apple, and again, I'm looking for Apple, the company, but the closest thing are by ticker symbols. So there's apps, there is the REIT, real estate investment here, trust. Let's type in, I believe it's AAPL, Apple. So we'll click Apple. We'll add it to our watch list. It's also more volatile in the market. I don't think, I guess compared to the overall market. So yeah, that's cool. And once again, it's telling you who's actually bought Apple, who hasn't. Very interesting. So I don't know, of all the platforms, the main ones, Webull, SoFi, and Robinhood, I feel like I still prefer Robinhood over all of them. Like, this has maybe a little bit too much for me. Maybe I'll get used to it, but one, I don't like that it has so much of the money, credit card, and everything. I wish if there's a way to just only keep it on Invest and don't worry about everything else, that'd be awesome. But yeah, as far as this, it's pretty straightforward. I wonder when I'm going to get my $50 in Tesla, I guess once everything clears. Yeah, let's say is there a way to look through? Well, there is like the top 50 stocks, right? So that's my watch list right there. Investor activity, I kind of want to remove them. Wish I didn't follow them. Let's see, discovery. So this is where you can discover stuff. So let's see the top 50 stocks, I guess, on here. So we have Intel, we have ExxonMobil, American Airlines, Delta. Here's what everyone else owns. These 50 stocks make up SoFi Social 50 Index, collection of the most widely held stocks on the SoFi Invest at the end of the last month. So very interesting. So you can see the most popular here. What else do we have? International stocks, dividend growth stocks. We have SPACs. SPACs are super popular this year. Super popular. What is it, like special purpose acquisition companies, gold miner stocks under $10. If you are wanting to invest, if you have like $100 and you want to maybe buy 10 shares of a company, you can always just click on that. Lots of stuff isn't opening right now. Airlines, Moss shops. Here, let's see what some of the Moss shops are. So we'll wait for it to load because I do want to check out how it looks. All right, so yeah, just a bunch of, there's Macy's, a bunch of little ticker symbols, L brands, Zoomies. All right, Best Buy. And then green is obviously it's going up, red it's going down. Let's click on a random one, L brands. All right, again, you get to see the week, more volatile than the market. Same thing, I feel like it's been saying that for every stock I found. All right, scheduled a limit order to sell L brands at 47. But I wonder if you can see how many people are actually buying, how many people are actually, here, let's click buy. Let's suppose I wanted to buy this. Again, you can do a market order, limit order, the market price, the estimated cost, it will be cancel. Can you do fractional shares on this? I wonder. Can you do fractional shares? Let's say I wanted to invest $1 into Tesla. So let's go back to Tesla. All right, Tesla. We're going to click buy. So you can do a recurring investment or buy now. We're going to click buy now. And oh, there it is. Yeah, you can do dollar investing. So I can do $1 review. Purchase when making a fractional trade, you are granting SoFi Securities discretion to determine the time and practice of the trade. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click place order. Your order is scheduled. It will be placed during the next trading window. Click done, and let's go ahead and see how this works. We're going to refresh. We're going to refresh again. The stock market is still open, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so it looks like they get hands-on retirement. So again, more of the knowledge stuff. Pending. This is at the market price. Date February 1st, and let's see when I get my one Tesla share. Really quickly, now when I go back to home, it does show what I'm investing in. I do wonder if you can hide this stuff, and look, you can hide this stuff. So if something is bothering you and it's annoying, like I already know how to invest. I don't need to learn how to invest. You can click hide. Let's go ahead and click that and hide, and there it is. I also do wonder if you can make this black background. I like the night mode or dark mode. I know that's what I have on Robinhood. Let's see if I can do it on here. These are just notifications. Maybe if I click on the gears icon, or that's only for notifications. Yeah. I'd probably have to click around. Let's see what I can do. My info, investor profile, tax documents, settings, referral status, member benefits, our products. Let's try to look at settings. It doesn't look like any of this has to do with the actual interface, but let's click home. And this is probably, okay, so this is where everything, if you hit something on accident, you can unhide it here. Location security, notification, communication. And yeah, it doesn't seem like it. Do I have my $1 in Tesla or still no? Let's click on Tesla. And where does it say I own it? I want to see it. I want it to say that I bought $1 of Tesla. Let's exit out. I wonder if it shows my pending orders. Let me scroll down. I don't see. Oh, there it is. It's still pending. It hasn't gone through. Even though I put at market price. All right, still pending. Let's see what else we can do. Is there any company I want to buy? Let's see if AMC is on here and GameStop. Because I know Robinhood, as of the time recording this video, is still limiting. So we'll click on invest. We'll search, and GameStop is GME. And let's see, GME, GameStop. GameStop is on there. Investor alert, this stock has experienced unprecedented price. So I do like this little quick about that tells you like if something is going on. I do like that. Moves like the markets. How does this have a beta of 0.91? A stock with a beta less than 1 is expected to have similar price movements to the market. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, it has a low of $2.57 and a high of $4.83. So this person sold, this person bought, this person bought. I wonder, and again, the news, feedback, I wonder, can you not do options? It doesn't look like you can trade options right here. And of course, GameStop. Oh, wait. My buying power decreased to $9.99. So I think I officially own $1 of Tesla. Let's click on home and let's see where it shows me. No, let's click on invest. Or no, it's still probably pending. Oh, it's still pending. So, all right, guys, so this has been an introduction to SoFi. I hope this was, I hope this video was helpful. It was informative. Again, the referral link I think is really cool because you can get $50, your friend can get $50, your family member. So why not take advantage? You deposit $1,000. That's a 5% return in a company you like. So I'll do an updated video once I get that, and I'm gonna be looking around see if I can change the background to dark mode because I would definitely prefer that rather than seeing all white. Just initial impressions. It's not as intuitive for me, I would say, as Robinhood. Robinhood still has the nicest platform of the bunch, and then Webull, if you're more interested in the technical analysis and you want to see the charts and like the simple moving average and all that stuff, that's more for you. But I want to show you guys kind of an introduction to SoFi, and if you downloaded this app, especially if you moved over from Robinhood to this app, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Super eager to hear your guys' thoughts on what you guys think about SoFi. With that being said, I'm the Anonymous Investor. Thank you very much, and remember to never stop learning.